Okay, let's first discuss the differences between tax certificates and tax deeds. Tax certificates are only offered in June. We're talking about Florida now. One time a year, batch sales, every county in the state. Lots and lots of tax certificates should you want them. Tax deeds, on the other hand, the sales occur monthly, sometimes bi-monthly or twice monthly in some counties in Florida. There's a lot of properties that you can buy in Florida. Tax certificates generally offer no property rights. Tax deeds offer property ownership. So with a tax certificate, once you make application for a tax deed, the amount of money that you had to pay to bring that tax certificate to sale, now turning it into a tax deed application and now a tax deed sale, if there's no bidders on that property, you will be offered the opportunity to buy it yourself. And if you're in Florida and there's no bidders, I would run away as fast as I can, because the Florida bidders are very savvy. Nobody's going to let anything go by where they can make money off of it. So if everybody forgot about it, you forget about it too.